Here we are again at Dirt Floor Motors. Today's fun is working on the 1954 Ferguson. And the problem on this, well, the current one was, this is supposed to operate the throttle. Well, it is a throttle, or was the throttle, and that through a series of rods and stuff worked the carburetor. Well, that broke, and I should just go on and tear it apart and put it back original, but decided I didn't want to tear it apart, so I got a I'm not filming too good here. Anyway, I got a throttle thing that goes on a tiller and rigged that up. Cable goes along here and goes up to the carburetor, so you can see it moving. I'm moving with my hand, and yeah, so it'll work till it won't, and maybe by then I'll tear it apart and put it back original. But can't complain too much since it's 70 years old. So the good thing is, it's right here where my hydraulic control is. Got a plow on it now. But I just use it for plowing and pulling the trailer around for firewood. So, not a big deal, but got all kinds of other stuff to do. But it's working, and I'll be able to plow this year. Just ran out of gas because I just had enough in it to test it. But I'll shut it off anyway. So, that's the big adventure out here today at Dirt Floor Motors.